Now, while Marcus, that's my name, is talking here and asking you questions, what is I doing?
What is I is doing? But first we have to realize, who am I? Who are you? What you will say? Marx is your name. Then you says, my name is Marx. And you says, I am Mark. Then what is true? First we have to realize what is that I. Worldly language we are saying that I am Marx, I am doing so and so business, I am having my children, my wife, my house. So I is used in worldly language, but that I is relative self, not true self. So we want to realize true self. Who am I? This relative self means temporary. When you go in flight, you say, I am passenger. When you go to doctor, you say, I am patient. So you are saying you are not always passenger, you are not always patient. So with respect to something, you have to say, I am passenger. But when you finish your journey, you come back to home, then you say, I am passenger. No, wife says, you are not passenger, you are my husband. So you become husband. So it is relative self. So what is true self? Permanent self. That's never changing. It remains constant. It remains permanently. So that we want to realize, and that self is real self, and it is called soul.
Okay, so the I, the question, who am I? The I is then soul.
Absolute pure soul is a I.
And the my and Marcus is just a body, the form in which the soul is materialized.
What happened? Due to ignorance of true self, we are, when our birth takes place, so people will give us name, Marx. So you believe that I am Marx. That is beginning of wrong belief. I am Marx, I am son of so and so, she is my mother, my father, this is my brother. Like that, wrong belief gets set. And now we want to go further. What is right belief? Who am I?
How can I find out what is right belief and who I am?
Suppose some child is there, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. He want to learn A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. He can learn himself. So we have to send him some play group, KG group, then first standard. So if we give some books, if we give some pen, everything, but he cannot learn 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. So somebody who is knowing ABCD, teacher is required. So here also we cannot get self-realization by doing ourselves directly. Somebody who get experience of self, he can give us knowledge of self-realization.
And this person would be you?
Here, yes, definitely, but I got this knowledge from Dada Bhagwan in 1971. I was learning in engineering, inter-science and mechanical engineering. At that time, I got this knowledge from Dada Bhagwan within 2 hours only. Once I got this knowledge, then I finished my engineering 4 years, then start some job, then doing business. Still, all the time I can remain separate from this mind, speech and body, and I can remain as a pure soul. So both the things, my learning was there, then my job, my business, everything remain continuously. But inside I can remain separate, free, and inner bliss all the time. No stress, no worry, no tension at all. Because I got this knowledge. Somebody says Marx is a bad person. Can you feel something bad or good?
Yeah, if somebody...
And another Marx from say Holland, and somebody says Marx from Holland, he is bad person. Then you feel bad? No, I am not Marx. That is, he is from other place. He is another Marx. So, if you know this is Marx is separate and I am pure soul, then any bad word or any blame or any hurt doesn't touch you. You can remain separate. Oh, Marx is suffering. I am not suffering. I am nowhere ends here. I am pure soul.